Introduction. The Making of a Scientist is a story about the leading scientist Richard H. Ebright. He was a curious child right from the beginning years of his life. He had started collecting butterflies in his childhood, and by the time he was in second grade, he had already gathered all the 25 species found in his hometown. Richard Ebright was very close to his mother, and she played a key role in developing his interest in science.
He began his journey by collecting butterflies. Later, he did a research to find out the purpose of 12 gold spots on monarch pupa butterflies. His paper on working of cell got published in a scientific journal, and he became famous. Ebright participated in many science exhibitions and won many awards. Apart from science, he had an interest in public speaking and debate. He was competitive and he possessed an achiever personality. Thus, he had all the qualities of becoming a great scientist.
Also, he collected coins, fossils, and rocks. One day, his mother gave him the book named The Travel of Monarch 10. This book had been a turning point in the life and introduced him to the world of science. He experienced the real science in the country science fair, and moreover, he understood that to win something, he needs to do something extraordinary.
Later, for his 8th grade, he selected the assignment of finding the cause of viral sickness that killed almost all monarch caterpillars every year. He thought that the cause for this could be a beetle, so he raised caterpillars with the presence of beetles. However, he was wrong. Next year, his project for the science fair was testing the theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarchs. His project got the first prize in zoology division and third in the country science fair.
In his second year of high school, Richard Ebright did his research, which led to his discovery of an unknown insect hormone, leading to his new theory on the lives of cells. He tried to find the purpose of tiny golden spots on the back of monarch pupa. This project won first place in a country science fair and a chance to work in Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. As a high school student, he continued his advanced experiment and finally he was able to identify the chemical structure of hormones. One day, while looking at the X-ray photos of the hormone, he got the idea of his new theory that tells cells can read the blueprint of its DNA. Ebright and his roommate constructed the plastic model of a molecule to illustrate the working of DNA. It was a big leap forward and his work got published in a magazine. He graduated from Harvard with highest honors.
Conclusion. The story teaches us that with perseverance, dedication, and hard work, any dream is achievable. The chapter takes us through the journey of Richard Ebright in becoming a successful scientist and also encourages the learners to begin with small discoveries and inculcate certain good qualities to achieve success.